We're live?
No, 140. We are?
We're live?
We are.
We're live! James Doyle here, and we're here at Princess Auto / Toys R Us. It's my favorite store. Don't judge me. But anyways, I'm here to check out this really awesome Hobart, and it's one of my personally favorite welders, you know, on the market. So now right here, this is a Hobart Handler 140. So now let's get into details on this extremely great and pretty good looking. It's pretty sexy welder. Don't you think, Dad?
Yeah, I think so.
So yeah, so let's get into it. So coming around to the front, starting at the front, you have your voltage right here. So yeah, all the voltage is right here. Then right there you can see that's the timing speed for the welder.
So that's how fast the wire travels through, feed speed. Okay.
Right here is the thermal sensing light. Am I saying that right?
Yeah, thermal sensor. Yeah.
Yeah. To where, and in all the reviews I've seen in this, it's never gone on, going to show how heavy duty this welder is. I'm not even surprised. But anyways, because this welder's amazing. So, getting right here to the gasless flux cord wire. Now, this is for when you're not using gas, okay? Okay? And it's already set up right here for the terminals, for this wire to be used. But then here, this is the gas wire that you would use. The MIG solid wire. This is the real MIG. And what you do right here is switch the terminals. So boom, boom, it's switched. So it's not a problem. And that's when you're using gas. Then right here, now these wires are actually very heavy, you know. And the thing is, you're going to need a really strong axle. That's why Hobart's got you covered with this really strong axle. So it's a great material, and it's a great product used for the axle, which I was personally shocked on how amazing this is. Right here, this is the bit that makes this welder that's almost $1,000 different to, you know, the welders that are $400. Right here you can see this is cast iron. It's not plastic that's used in the cheaper welders. That's why this welder is actually $950 because of the quality of parts used. And here at Princess Auto, it's on sale for $850. Not bad at all.
So right now we have to point out this is Canadian.
Yes. And
so to our American friends,
yes,
it's a lot less.
Yes, yeah. And that's Canadian money. And now right here as well, another thing I just wanted to point out, all parts are, you know, from overseas, but it was designed, built, you know, assembled in America. So it is a very strong quality welder, and I'm loving it here. It's a great welder. You can see here and another thing is that for 115 volt input, this is an incredible. It's ridiculous. It's how good it is. Now, another thing I need to point out over here is that it can do up to 1/4 inch metal. That is really good, and it goes all the way down to here, 24 gauge. So, it gives you kind of a manual sort of on how to, the numbers and the specs on how to do it.
Yeah, it's cool how it's all right there for you.
Yes, so it's really good, and also just to point out, really cool welding masks.
You got this one. Got a couple of them, right?
Yep. And then I got one right. This right here is actually for this down here, for a you know, the generator. Yep. You want to know something? Right here they have a need help, so you can call a number. So they have that. So
they got you covered with support. Good point.
All support. So that's really good that they have that. But yeah, we've had a lot of fun here at Princess Auto to check out this Hobart Hobart welding products.
MIGs,
really cool, and I'm really excited to be using Hobart for the rest of my life because I'm never gonna need to switch. So yeah, let's get welding and spark your imagination. Bye bye.